Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your Windows PC for AI-powered assistance. Whether it's for writing, coding, or just chatting, I will show you how to access. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then write Microsoft Store. As you can see here on the top, click on it. Now, in the search bar, you have to write ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Now, as you can see here, the fourth option, click on it. As now, as you can see, I have already downloaded it. Now you have to download it. After downloading it, click on Open option. Now you can use your ChatGPT here. You can use your for various purposes like creating maybe some by text code or anything. You can see your horoscope to here. So guys, now you know how to use ChatGPT on Windows like Pro. If you found it helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. I will see you in the next video. And thanks for watching.